Welcome to the world of Microsoft Purview Insider Risk Management, where I'm here to show you the ropes, like an old pal guiding a newcomer through uncharted territories. Let me walk you through this essential toolbox, because protecting your data isn't just important, it's crucial. Picture a fortress. If you don't manage the people dwelling there, even with robust walls, you are vulnerable. I've seen it my fair share as a senior cloud architect. Let's tackle this beast together, ensuring your organization is ready for anything. So buckle up, grab a coffee, because we're about to dive into a journey of securing insider threat landscapes. Now, let's set the stage, shall we? If I were to tell you this guide is about something as critical as the shield we use against threats within, it would be a wise analogy, right? As we start unveiling this mysterious tool, the Microsoft Purview Insider Risk Management, we realize that while our external defenses are formidable, managing threats from the inside, from people who have access but shouldn't misuse it, requires just as much attention, if not more. It feels like we're in the heart of Silicon Valley, just a quick drive from the hustle and bustle where data is a currency of its own kind. Let me give you the lay of the land. We are going to slice this journey into three main acts: understand, protect, and act, because, my friend, knowledge is power, but putting that knowledge into action is where we really bring the magic. Act 1. Understand the environment, because if you don't know where to plug in, you are looking for a needle in a haystack. That's where detailed configurations and strategic importance come to play. It's like building a map of every alley and backdoor that could lead to a data heist in our digital fortress. As we sketch out this digital landscape, our main objective is to architect a robust data governance and risk management framework, because every system needs a strong foundation before sprinkling in the pixie dust for efficiency. Here's the secret sauce: an intuitive platform that aligns with regulatory standards and business goals, because regulations aren't just rules, they're signposts guiding us toward data sovereignty and compliance without even noticing. Alright, moving on to protection. This is where it gets hands-on. Think of configuring this suite like crafting armor to wear in this digital world, because our warriors, or in our case, the people with access, might not have insider motives, but the world around is full of potential adversaries. So, we are going to arm them with the right tools, training, and vigilance. It's akin to teaching someone to fish, right? Which they can do better and more efficiently. The technical architecture we are discussing here is our knights in shining armor, and Microsoft Purview's tools are our trebuchets in this siege on insider threats. We've got access controls, monitoring systems, and behavioral analytics that's as smart as a fox, ensuring every knight knows the do's and don'ts of our shared realm. It's about balance here. Too tight controls, and we risk stifling our people's productivity; too loose, and we are open to sneaky invaders. Last but not least, it's time for action, because having insights without acting on them is like having a watchful owl with no wings. We'll discuss procedures, threat detection, and mitigation plans, because when the dragon breathes fire, or in our case, when suspicious behavior is spotted, it's our job to enforce a swift and decisive response. It's about creating clear lines of action, like putting a whistleblower in place or isolating suspicious activities, because in this game, every second counts. Before I wrap things up, imagine applying these tactics not just for prevention but also as a means of continuous improvement for our internal and physical defenses, because a dynamic threat landscape means adapting and enhancing our strategies constantly. After all, if the first wave teaches us the ropes, the second is where we refine our skills. Think of constant evaluation as doing a victory lap with peanut butter all over our data protection efforts. As we near the end of our journey through the labyrinth of insider risk management with Microsoft Purview, make sure you're equipped, informed, and ready to implement these tactics. Because, my friend, in the end, it's not just about reducing risks but empowering individuals to become the most trustworthy custodians of our data treasure chests. Keep your eyes peeled, ears open, and your data safe, because the age of external threats no longer tells the whole story of our battle for data security. Let's continue to learn and adapt, because, as we know in my world, today's safe corner might just be tomorrow's forgotten tale, and the legend of victory lies in evolving with the untold tales of insider risk management. And now, as I take this reel of wisdom to its rightful theater, my very own voice, so weave this guide into the fabric of your organization. For more insights as timeless as the tales of yore or as fresh as tomorrow's Sunra 0 WNS, visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Because remember, we are all in this digital odyssey together, and every step counts towards safeguarding the very essence of our shared data realm.